Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we're going to be doing another Amazon unboxing, and today we're unboxing some knives and cutting board sets. So let's get started. Everybody open it. So here's a 3-piece chopping board set that I got from Amazon, and let's try to open it. So I like that it's color coded, so you can like use the green for like your vegetables, and then the blue for your meat, and then for spices the red one. So it's the description: 3 convenient size to prevent cross-contamination of different food types. So as you can see, this part is made of like a silicone. The handle is silicone, and it's a pretty thick piece of plastic. So let's pull this out. So I think the blue piece is around it's more than 12 inches in size. So this is the second piece, the green piece. This is the biggest piece, and then the second piece is this one, and then there's this piece. So it also came with an extra peeler, which is nice for a bonus. So that is our chopping board set. The next one we're unboxing is a knife set from Amazon Basics. So this is also color coded. So this is the knife set. So this is the instruction for use, and here are the knives. So we got a blue one, I think it's the biggest one. We got a purple one.
That's a knife. That's a knife.
We got an orange one.
That's a knife.
Yes, it is a knife. Small one. And the biggest one is this red one. So it's nice because it has a cover.
That's
For you?
Yeah, that's for me.
Okay, so let's open it up. As you can see there, Amazon Basics.
That's my.
So here is the knife. It's actually I was surprised that the blade is also red. So I think it's painted, I'm not sure, but this is the first knife. And then this is the second knife. And this one is like the blue one, the second size. And this is the bread knife. So this is what I'm excited about. There's a bread knife, which is really nice. It's serrated, so you can use it for cutting bread. It's the purple one. This orange knife, it's very long. It's like around 12 inches. These are the 2 smallest knives. We got the green one and the yellow one. So that is all our unboxing for today. See you in the next one. Bye.